Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best hair perm kit is probably one of the most transformative hair care products for Black women, offering a fantastic way to achieve long-lasting curls or waves while enhancing your natural hair texture and providing a myriad of styling options. But with so many different kits available, choosing the right one can be tricky. Today, we will review this kit and help you decide if it's the right choice for your hair type and desired outcome. Number 5. Dark and Lovely Triple Nourished Relaxer. Get ready to experience the next generation in hair relaxing. This kit helps you achieve healthy, beautiful hair, leaving it moisturized, shiny, and strong. It's designed to preserve 5 key elements of healthy hair: moisture, shine, strength, softness, and body. Perfect for those with coarse hair. This relaxer includes 3 new components: a moisture conditioner, a moisture hair crème, and a silk keratin serum. These work together to give you incredibly soft and shiny hair. It's a convenient at-home kit, available in normal and super strengths to suit different hair types. Just follow the easy instructions for optimal results. We're all about celebrating unique styles. This is just one of our many products designed to help you achieve your perfect look, whatever your hair type. For over 110 years, we've been providing innovative and superior hair care products for people of color. We're dedicated to meeting your unique needs. What we like? It's enriched with shea butter and is a no-lye formula. This helps preserve the 5 signs of healthy hair: moisture, shine, strength, softness, and body. If you have coarse hair and want to maintain its health while relaxing, you should consider this. What people say. When I am unable to get to the hair salon for a $100 relaxer touch-up, this is a good alternative. I've used this product for probably 10 years and it is the only boxed relaxer that does not break my hair or burn. I was worried because my relaxer that I had been using from Soft Sheen Carson had been discontinued. I decided to try this relaxer and I loved it. My hair turned out better than I could have ever imagined. It straightened my hair without burning me. Also, the kit contained enough relaxer for my long mid-back hair. This does the job well, and it comes with a lot of hair treatment to include in the process. Leaves your hair soft, shiny, and bouncy. Number 4. Hawaiian Silky 30008 Relaxer. Get ready to experience the luxurious smoothness of Hawaiian Silky 30008 Relaxer. It's specially formulated for a gentle yet effective straightening experience. This no-base relaxer is incredibly convenient and easy to apply. Enjoy a mess-free relaxing experience. It's designed to be mild on your hair, minimizing damage and leaving your hair feeling soft and healthy. Perfect for those seeking a gentler approach to hair straightening. The special olive oil blend helps strengthen your hair during the relaxing process. It helps to keep your hair looking healthy and shiny. It's perfectly suited for medium to coarse hair textures. Achieve the straight, sleek look you've always wanted. This generous 20-ounce bottle provides ample product for multiple uses. You'll have enough to achieve your desired results. What we like? It contains olive oil blends, making it a mild formula. The large 20-ounce size is great for multiple uses. If you have medium to coarse hair and prefer a gentle approach, this is a great option. What people say. Purchase to save on salon visits. I have a tender scalp, so no burning, itchiness, or scabs. Left my hair very straight and manageable. I recommend using with the neutralizing shampoo. Softens texture just enough and my hair was not bone straight. I gave body and made my hair more manageable. I love that it is not harsh and didn't burn my scalp. I have 3C mixed race hair, porous. I followed the instructions using the regular for fine hair, 15 minutes. I could get away with the mild strength. Don't forget to buy the neutralizer shampoo. Great product. It was mild and easy to use. Number 3. ORS Olive Oil Relaxer. Get ready to experience the ultimate hair care with our new relaxer. It's specially formulated with olive oil for built-in protection during the relaxing process. Say goodbye to hair damage. This relaxer is enriched with olive oil to protect your hair, leaving it healthy and shiny. It's perfect for relaxing new growth. It blends seamlessly with your existing relaxed hair for a natural look. This extra strength formula is designed for thicker, coarser hair types. It provides a long-lasting, smooth result. This relaxer is simple to apply and use, even for beginners. Follow the instructions for best results. It comes in a compact and convenient size. The dimensions are 4L x 3W x 2H, making it easy to store. What we like? It's formulated with built-in protection for new growth and is extra strength. This means it effectively relaxes hair while protecting against damage. If you need a strong relaxer that also cares for your hair, this is the one for you. What people say. As you can see in the pictures, my hair is always healthy. They have added shea butter and peaky oil, highly emollient and fatty acid rich, to feed the scalp and moisturize the hair. I've been using this product off and on for the last couple of years and it's not that bad. It's left my hair in a good condition every time. It always makes my hair straight, soft, and moisturized. I left it on for 9 minutes and it did the job. No more poof, no more waves, just straight and flat. Number 2. Relaxer for Gray No-lye Kit. This is our new relaxer for Gray No-lye Kit. It's designed to gently relax your hair while providing superior conditioning. It contains 2 substantive conditioning agents. These agents work together to improve the health and manageability of your hair. We've actually improved upon our first patented relaxer formula. It's better than ever before. This kit provides improved conditioning during the relaxing process. Experience gentler treatment and healthier hair. It offers a gentle treatment that's easy on your scalp and hair. Get the smooth, relaxed look you desire without harsh chemicals. It's time to relax and reveal your natural beauty. This kit makes it easy and gentle. What we like? It features 2 substantive conditioning agents for improved conditioning and gentle treatment. It's also a no-lye formula. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective relaxer that improves hair health, this is a good choice. What people say. I'm so used to buying other relaxers, but this is gentle on my hair, no breaking, and great for gray hair. Great product for coarse white hair. The product relaxed my hair beautifully, but it did turn out yellowish. Number 1. Ogilvie Precisely Right Perm Kit. Get ready for salon-quality curls from the comfort of your home. This premium kit makes achieving perfect waves easy and convenient. It features a unique heat activator for effortless wave creation. Suitable for all hair types, achieving beautiful curls has never been simpler. Enjoy a pleasant, fresh scent during application. The drip guard feature ensures a mess-free and easy experience. This kit is perfect for those with thin or delicate hair. It provides professional results without causing damage. Keep your color vibrant while adding beautiful waves. It's a perfect solution for achieving curls without compromising your hair color. With Ogilvie Precisely Right Perm Kit, you can transform your hair with ease. Experience the convenience and quality of a professional perm, all from your own bathroom. What we like? It has a heat activator for effortless waves and provides salon-quality results at home. It's also suitable for color-treated, thin, or delicate hair. If you have thin or color-treated hair and want salon-quality curls without the salon price, this is perfect for you. What people say. I have naturally fine, curly hair in the back, but the front of my hair is more wavy than curly. I was going to go to a salon to get a perm in the front for $200 but very hesitantly decided to try and do it myself and the results were amazing. I have used this product for many years because it leaves my poker straight hair soft with just enough body and curl. It lasts a long time and softens as it grows out. I have used other products purchased from beauty supply as well as professional perms. The Ogilvie perms work the best for me. Very satisfied to get body to the sides of thin hair without making it frizzy or curly. Lasted for 3 months. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.